Hi, Dick. This is Allison Sheridan of the NosillaCast podcast, hosted over at podfeed.com. Well, I just wanted to tell you how much I love my daily GizWiz hat. I wear it for everything. I wear it when I'm trying to find the cables back behind my computer. I wear it when I want to figure out how to plug the TiVo in and I'm trying to get to all those cables. Heck, I even used it when I was trying to find my husband's BlackBerry lost in his car. So, tonight, though, we used it for something even better. We used it because I have this nice headset, and I yanked it out. I wrecked this, can you see this connector right here? I yanked this connector loose, this USB connector, so we cannibalized another, a little, what do you call it, memory card reader, and we resoldered it into this little unit, and it works. But the only reason it works is, see, we're really old and we can't see because we're old, so we had on the little granny glasses, we're soldering away, but we still can't see. But I thought, if we had more light, we could see. So I put on my daily GizWiz hat, and we could see, and it works. Just wanted to thank you for your great work, Dick, and keep it up.